Hi, Asslam.o.Alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is doing perfectly fine. So today we are going to see how we can create an amazing slider with the help of ChatGPT. If you don't know what is ChatGPT, just go on your Google and write what is ChatGPT. So they will tell you it is a artificial intelligence module. So from ChatGPT, you will feel like you are just chatting with someone. Okay, so with a very interesting and great application, this is. So the ChatGPT is just a kind of chat, but that is a computer program from where we feel like we are chatting with someone. So basically, we are chatting with a computer program that create what we ask from them. So right now, the Chat GPT version 4 is on the way, and can you imagine it can create a book of 60,000 words within 2 or 3 minutes. So you can just imagine how powerful Chat GTP is. So let me show you what we are just going to create with the help of Chat GPT, and as well as I will show you how much kind of code we need to write for just creating a slider with the help of HTML, CSS, and after that JavaScript. But Chat GTP is such a kind, I will ask him to create a slider for me, and definitely he will give me the code of HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay, so right now we are at the website of w3schools.com that is very famous, and we can see there is a just image, and after that we have some if I click on this arrow, there is some new image with the text caption 1 2 3 4. So similarly, I will if I wanna make such kind of slider, so let me show you what kind of code is just working behind this scene. Okay, so if I go to w3 school editor, so we can see this is the code what is working there, and we are just getting such kind of interface. But instead of writing too much code from here, I will simply go on my Chat GPT, and I just need to write Chat GTP, and after that I will enter. And from there, these are their official website, openai.com. So I will go on Chat GPT, the very first option, and from there, such kind of interface you will get at the start. And after that, just click on Try Chat GPT. And after that, I have already signed up and logged in. That is quite simple, as we log in any other social media apps and something like that. So easily you can log in your Chat GTP if you don't have created your account in Chat GTP right now. So this is the place from where I will ask him to make a slider. So I will ask him make a slider with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, in which text slides with images. Okay, and once I just put the enter, so right now it is just generating some code for me, and he is asking here's a basic example of creating a slider with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it is started and just creating a slider for us. So once we get the code from here, we will simply copy it and paste it in our VS code, and definitely we will try this how it is just looking in our page, what kind of beautiful slider they can create. But there are definitely something which we need to add ourselves, from the image you can see there is a source image 1.jpg, but we will add our path there as well. Okay, so once it write all the code, right now it is writing the code for CSS, and once the CSS code is run, it will start writing the JavaScript for it. And once the JavaScript code is done, then we will just create a new folder for our VS code, and just copy paste all the codes in our VS code, and we'll see how it is displaying. So it have done. So right now it is saying this example will display the images and text in a slider with the images and the text changing every 3 seconds. Mean that if we don't do anything with the image, the slides will automatically move after 3 seconds. You can adjust the time interval, slider dimension, and styles as desired. So basically this is just simple template for us, but we can definitely customize this to really a beautiful slider. So let's see how kind of interface they have provided us. So we need to go in our main desktop option. From there I will create a new folder, like I name it ChatGPT, and after that I will open this with my VS Code. So I prefer VS Code always because it have really beautiful extensions with it, so that that really helps me. Okay, so first of all, I need the file of HTML. So I will write the index.html. And from there, that's definitely I need to write the basic code for HTML. So I will just put the exclamation sign, and after that I will put the snippet. Okay, so in title I will write the slider, and from the body part I will just paste the code what our chat gpt have given us. So that is the code. So you can also copy this, like, but also there is an option like copy code. Just click on that and just paste in body. Okay, so right now we have our HTML code there. Right now, we need to add CSS. For external CSS, we need to write link colon CSS, and definitely there is a folder name like style.css, and I'll click on there and create a new file with the name of style.css. And right now here we can put our all the CSS. So I need to click on the copy code, and then I will just paste there, right? So I will just save the changes. And right now there is the very last thing is that we need to add the JavaScript. So we can also add internal, external JavaScript, but I will use the internal JavaScript. For that, I need to write the script, and in script, I will add the script what we have there. Okay, so not like that, I will just click on the copy code, and after that inside of script, I will paste this one. Okay. After that, right click and there is the option of format document. So it will just make everything perfect for me. Okay. So you can see like how such kind of code it have given me within no time. Okay. So there is also an extension of go live. So let me click on that. Right now we have not added the images. So let's see like how it is displaying there right now. Okay, so at the moment, the image is not displaying there, and maybe there is a like image 3, and after that there will be image 1 and 2. So let me add the images there. So I need to go on my Chrome. Okay, so I have just write the images for slider, and on our images from there we can just pick some random images like this one, and after that I need to right click and there will be the copy image address. I need to click on that, and after that I will go in our image source, the at the very first image, just paste there. Control Z is the shortcut to just display all the things in single page in VS Code. And after that I need one new pic. So this is the second one. I will also copy the image address from there, and that is definitely my second image. So I will put in second place. And after that we have the last one, that is the third one. So I will just copy the image address from there and need to put on the third image dot jpg. Okay, so need to just control and save the changes, and right now it's trying to see like how it is displaying on our website. So I will just need to go there, and we can see from here this is the text 1, and after that this will slide and this is the text 2, and after that again it is randomly changing each the thing. So if you want to text in center, so no worries, just go on your chat gpt and ask him, I want to write the text in center of the image, and just send that, and it will definitely create a new code again. So here's the modification from the previous examples. This centers the text. So they are just writing some new css for us, and as well as it is also just some creating the code again for us, right? So from there we can simply need to copy this code and just need to paste in our website. So we will find our the text in center at the moment. Okay, so I think that's quite simple and very easy way to just write the code of our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So even it also supports for if you are just writing the backend, or if with any kind of problem with you stuck with the coding language, just come here and ask him like, I am just getting this error, and after sending it, it will just give you a mind-blowing answer for that. Even with the person who are using CMS for web development, it is also very helpful for all of them. So they can also come here and ask for any kind of plugin if they are just searching for some kind of information or some kind of plugin they need. So just ask the functionality to the chat GTP, and it definitely give back a really list of amazing plugins that you can use, and definitely your problem will resolve. So from here we can ask him anything to do for us, like if we want the slider full width, so just ask that like the slider width the slider width should be 100%. And once we just give this kind of there, so it will again write the code for us and set the width of the slider 100%, and I hope it will just perfect fine for you. So I have just shown you like how we can create the beautiful slider with the help of chat GTP, and in our other videos I will also come along with the different kind of templates just we are creating with the chat GTP. So if you have not subscribed my channel, so just do subscribe and also like the video if it is just little helpful for you. And don't forget to share it with your friends. See you in our next video. Until take care. Goodbye.